In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Sites. Insert social media buttons/icons. By the end, you'll have a clean row of clickable social icons on your Google site, created with a free widget and added using a simple embed code. Start by opening your browser and going to elfsight.com. On the homepage, look for the widget gallery. Hover over the widget area so you can see the different options, then choose Social Media Icons. This app is designed specifically for linking to your profiles with recognizable, professional-looking icons. Click Create Widget for free to open the setup. You'll see a collection of templates. Pick one that matches the look and placement you want. Maybe a horizontal row for a header or footer, or a compact layout for a sidebar. When you've found a good starting point, click Continue with this template. You'll land in the editor, where a live preview helps you see how everything fits. Take a moment to check the style, spacing, and alignment. You can always fine-tune details like size and colors later, so don't overthink it right now. Just make sure the general look works for your site. When you're ready, click Add to Website for free. Next, click Publish. If you're asked to choose a plan, click Select on the option that fits your needs. There's a free tier that works well for most basic use cases. After that, the platform will generate an embed snippet for you. Click Copy Code to place it on your clipboard. Now head to your Google site and open the page where you want the icons to appear. In the right-hand Insert panel, choose Embed, then switch to the Embed Code tab if needed. Paste the code you copied from ElfSight into the box. Click Next to preview how the widget will display within your page. If the preview looks correct, click Insert. The widget will appear on your page as a content block. From here, you can align it with surrounding elements to keep your layout tidy, and the preview in the editor helps you confirm it fits visually with your design. That's the full flow. Visit ElfSight. Choose the Social Media Icons widget. Create it with a template. Continue with that template. Add it to your website for free. Publish it. Select a plan if prompted. Copy the code. Then in Google Sites, embed the code. Click Next. And finally, click Insert. With those steps complete, your visitors will see neat, clickable icons that route them straight to your social profiles, giving your site a more polished, connected feel.